Warning! Scaredy Squirrel insists that everyone wash their hands with antibacterial soap before reading this book. For Francine and Hubert, Scaredy Squirrel by Melanie Watt. Scaredy Squirrel never leaves his nut tree. He'd rather stay in his safe and familiar tree than risk venturing out into the unknown. The unknown can be a scary place for a squirrel. The unknown. A few things Scaredy Squirrel is afraid of. Green Martians, killer bees, tarantulas, poison ivy, germs, sharks. So he's perfectly happy to stay right where he is. Advantages of never leaving the nut tree. Great view, plenty of nuts, safe place, no tarantulas, poison ivy, Martians, killer bees, germs, or sharks. Disadvantages of never leaving the nut tree. Same old view, same old nuts, same old place. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. In Scaredy Squirrel's nut tree, every day is the same. Everything is predictable. All is under control. Scaredy Squirrel's daily routine. 6:45 a.m. Wake up. 7 o'clock a.m. Eat a nut. 7:15 a.m. Look at view. 12 o'clock. Noon. Eat a nut. 12:30 p.m. Look at view. 5 o'clock p.m. Eat a nut. 5:31 p.m. Look at view. 8 o'clock p.m. Go to sleep. But let's say, just for example, that something unexpected did happen. You can rest assured that this squirrel is prepared. A few items in Scaredy Squirrel's emergency kit. Hard hat, antibacterial soap, calamine lotion, parachute, bug spray, mask and rubber gloves, net, Band-Aid, sardines. What to do in case of an emergency according to Scaredy Squirrel. Step 1. Panic. Step 2. Run. Step 3. Get kit. Step 4. Put on kit. Step 5. Consult exit plan. Step 6. Exit tree. If there is absolutely, definitely, truly no other option. Dramatization. Exit plan. Top secret. Exit 1. Note to self. Watch out for green Martians and killer bees in the sky. Exit 2. Note to self. Do not land in river. If unavoidable, use our sardines to distract sharks. Exit 3. Note to self. Look out for poison ivy and for tarantulas roaming the ground. Exit 4. Note to self. Keep in mind that germs are everywhere. Remember, if all else fails, playing dead is always a good option. With his emergency kit in hand, Scaredy Squirrel watches. Day after day he watches. Until one day, Thursday, 9:37 a.m. A killer bee appears! Scaredy Squirrel jumps in panic, knocking his emergency kit out of the tree. This was not part of the plan. Scaredy Squirrel jumps to catch his kit. He quickly regrets this The parachute is in the kit. But something incredible happens. He starts to glide. Scaredy Squirrel is no ordinary squirrel. He's a flying squirrel. He feels overjoyed, adventurous, carefree, alive, until he lands in a bush. Score 5.7. Scaredy Squirrel forgets all about the killer breed, not to mention the tarantulas, poison ivy, green Martians, germs, and sharks. And plays dead. 30 minutes later. 1 hour later. 2 hours later. Finally, Scaredy Squirrel realizes that nothing horrible is happening. So he returns to his nut tree. All this excitement has inspired Scaredy Squirrel to make drastic changes to his life. Scaredy Squirrel's new and improved daily routine. 6:45 a.m., wake up. 7 o'clock a.m., eat a nut. 7:15 a.m., look at you. 9:37 a.m., jump into the unknown. 9:45 a.m., play dead. 11:45 a.m., return home. 12 o'clock noon, eat a nut. 12:30 p.m., look at view. 5 o'clock p.m., eat a nut. 5:31 p.m., look at view. 8 o'clock p.m., go to sleep. Poison ivy. P.S. As for the emergency kit, Scaredy Squirrel is in no hurry to pick it up just yet. The end. Where does Scaredy Squirrel live? In a burrow? In a tree? In a house? In the lake? What does Scaredy Squirrel eat? Candy? Pine cones? Nuts? Insects? What is Scaredy Squirrel afraid of? Poison ivy, tarantulas, germs, and killer bees? Other squirrels? Thunder and lightning? Lions, tigers, and bears? Scaredy Squirrel is probably afraid of all of those things, but in the book, I read poison ivy, tarantulas, germs, and killer bees. Why doesn't Scaredy Squirrel ever leave his tree? He's a prisoner. He's afraid of the unknown. He's waiting for a friend. He doesn't know how to get down.